Here we go, finally, with a rigid body mechanics multiple choice question. This is HL, not many of these, so SL, feel free to take a break. HL, watch on and see if you can do this question. I would very much put this into the classic question kind of bracket. I've seen this kind of question many times, so it's really good if you've got an idea about how to do this one. We know that the wheel's at rest and it's rolling without slipping down an incline for 4 seconds. We're told the final angular velocity, and we want to know how many revolutions this completed. Now, this is where the trick is. When we're talking about revolutions, we're really talking about angular displacement. Okay, we know the angular displacement is related to the initial and final angular velocities and the time through this equation. We also know the values from the question. So we've got a half of 0 initially and 5 pi times 4, and we're going to multiply those things together to get it in terms of to 10 pi. Now this is where you might be a bit unsure as to what to do next. Because we've been told 10 pi, and it's kind of tempting here, isn't it? You can see that answer of a 10. Do we just take the 10 in front of there? No, what we need to think about is the number of revolutions. One revolution is going to be 360 degrees, which is 2 pi. So to find the number of revolutions, we're going to take that delta theta, and divide it by 2 pi to get 5, which is why the answer here is 5. Now again, as you can see here, this is not a hard question. If the question said to you, what is the angular displacement? This is an easy question. There's a tiny extra layer of difficulty, which comes from the fact they've asked for the number of revolutions, and your understanding that the number of revolutions is given by that delta theta divided by 2 pi.